Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about tax basis for startups and new entrepreneurs. Let's get into the video. If you are starting a new business, there are a number of tax issues to consider. Probably the most important one is the business structure that best suits the business. Possibilities include a sole proprietorship, partnership, C corporation, S corporation, and limited liability company. The business structure needs to consider taxation, business associates, if any, and personal liability. There may be licensing and registration requirements with federal, state, and local governments. If there will be employees, setting up systems for paying the workers, recording the payments for accounting purposes, and meeting government required employment standards will be required. You will need to determine what kinds of insurance coverage are needed for the business. Finally, deciding upon an appropriate accounting system to avoid future problems is also essential. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.